Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, you will see unboxing of the Kuber Industries Microfiber Square Chair Pad Seat Cushion for car pad, office chair, indoor, outdoor, dining living room, kitchen with ties, pack of 2, brown. The latest price of this is just Rs 270 on Amazon. Buying link is in the description box. This product is also available in many colors. The product dimension is 2.2 meters length x 1.5 meters width. You can also buy this product using cash on delivery, using the link in the description box. What do you think about this product? Also please like the video. The cushion can also be tied using the knots provided at each end of the corners. If you have already bought this product, do let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Subscribe my channel for such interesting videos in future also. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.